Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to KSNT News here on your Wednesday. This morning, I'm joined by Dr. Tiffany Anderson, our Topeka superintendent for school district here. Healthcare, of course, a big issue across the state right now, and that, of course, includes schools. Recent reports even saying that Shawnee County ranks less in health measures than the rest of the state. What is this looking like right now for our schools here in Topeka?
Well, we know just in general in Shawnee County, poverty has gone up, economics is an issue, and because of that, health care is problematic. Most recently, the Medicaid issue of that not being expanded, which I hope is overturned in the future. I hope that comes back up as an issue. You know, good health care, quality health care is an issue for all of us across Shawnee County. And Topeka is no different. We're doing a lot of things to try to combat that, but it is significant. Without great health care, kids can't come to school ready to learn. They don't come in walking through the door necessarily with their immunizations done, with the proper health and nutrition. Those are all significant issues, as are the various social factors that feed into public health as well.
Absolutely. And Dr. Anderson, I would be remiss if I didn't also, of course, mention and ask your opinions on the recent news on St. Francis and the possible pending closure for the hospital. How is that going to affect our 501 district?
You know, we rely on St. Francis for our physical health pieces that students, athletes experience, and so they have done our athletic physicals. Certainly it is you know, a mainstay in Topeka. Many of our families work at St. Francis, many of our parents work there, so it will have a devastating impact. You know, but with that in mind, we are encouraged to see the potential partnership with Stormont Vail and St. Francis. In fact, Stormont Vail and Topeka Public Schools is currently in conversation about a potential clinic, a school-based health clinic at Topeka High School in the future. So we are excited to see leaders such as Stormont Vail having dialogue about how do we continue to expand health care despite the lack of expanded Medicaid coverage, which again we hope comes back up and that changes.
All right, absolutely. And you yourself are a leading national trauma-informed leader here in the United States. How do you hope to make changes yourself for the district? You
know, this work is exciting. You know, well, the first thing that we did was embed a food-based pantry, which is really part of that social determinant for health care. You know, then the next thing was really looking at how do we expand clinics. Yesterday, we gave immunizations, free immunizations across the district with the help of the health department. And so we really are continuously looking at ways in which to provide good health care, quality health care for families and for children in early childhood. So for us, upcoming, we have the Governor's Conference for Health, Public Health next week. I'll be the keynote speaker, and I'll be talking about trauma-informed health care, public health, and all the other social determinants that feed into ensuring there's quality health care for all kids. It's the best way to make sure kids come to school ready to learn.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Anderson, for being here this morning. A big topic of discussion, no doubt about it, this week here in our community, and of course that really does impact our students as well. Thank you for your time, and from there we're going to head on over to a weather check with Kyle Borkett.